Hey guys, it's Joe with Pop EVs, and today I'm super stoked because I'm installing my 1450 power outlet. I've been using 110 for about a week now, and I really want to up the miles or kilowatts per hour on the charge. So I'm going to be upgrading to a 240 volt, 50 amp NEMA 1450 power outlet. I've decided to go with this version instead of installing a wall charger or something like that because of the price and because of the versatility. So I'll be able to use this outlet to charge any other vehicle, RV or whatnot that needs 1450 and 240 volts, or I can buy a wall charger and simply plug that wall charger into the power outlet that I'm installing. Pretty straightforward, simple process. But if you don't feel comfortable doing this or tackling this project on your own, feel free to reach out to a qualified electrician. Don't ever deal with something you're not comfortable with, especially when it comes to electricity. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and try this myself. If you want to try it on your own, I'll show you what you'll need and a couple steps that I'm taking. My project's a little bit easier. You can see here I have my sub panel in my garage, and I'm only running about 25 feet of wire. That's probably going to be the most expensive thing for you if you have a box already. The wire I bought at my local Lowe's is running about $2 a foot, somewhere around there, and I bought 25 feet. I'll give you an idea of what the wire will cost. I'll give you a price breakdown on what I've spent, and hopefully you'll do the same. Let's go through what you're gonna need for this project, or at least what I am going to need for this project. You might have a little differences depending on your runs and all that kind of stuff, but what you will need is 6-3 wire, and this wire has the black, the red, the white, and then a copper grounding wire. Your black and your red are your hots, your white is your neutral, and then your copper is your ground. So you're gonna need this wire. This is what's recommended to get you the most power that you can get, and also make sure that your electricity is safe. Next up, I'm using a 50 amp 2-pole breaker. It's rated for 6-gauge wire, which I've checked on the side of it, so we're good to go there. I'm also doing a surface mount power outlet. I decided to go with this because it seemed like an easier process. I didn't need to buy a box. I didn't need to buy a cover, and as you can see, my garage is unfinished, so this isn't going to stand out as much as a box. I will put all this in a shopping list at the end of the video to break down the pricing for you, to show you what I bought, show you what I'm using. So if you missed it this time, don't worry, you'll catch it on the back end.